Hi guys, today I'm going to show you to crochet this pattern. It's a slanting pattern. It will grow like the blocks will grow 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. In the end, you can reduce it little by little, one by one. You can reduce in both sides. Okay. Let me show you how to crochet this. And this one I use multicolors. We can use it for bed sheet or blanket like that. I'm going to use it for blanket, so let me show you how to crochet. Okay, we start with 6 chain, skip 2 chains, then 3 double crochet in next 3 chains. Okay. Then 6 more chains, skip 2 stitch, 2 chain, then 3 double crochet in next 3 chains. Then we are going to single crochet in the last double crochet of the first row. Okay, then 3 chains, three double crochet in the space there. Then we make 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, you can see, this is block 1, this block 2, and the blocks are in different ways, so that's why we call slanting. Okay, we are going to skip 2 and make 3 more double crochet here in next 3 chains. At the corner, every corner of the pattern, we are going to make 6 chains. This corner, when you are growing for next turn, you need to do 6 chains. Okay, now we are going to single crochet in the chain here, these 3 chains here. Then again 3 chains, 3 double crochet in the same space. Okay, then we are going to attach here, single crochet in the chain, these 3 chain here. Okay, put again 3 chain, 3 double crochet. See, 1, 2, 3. First is 1 and 2 and 3. You see, this way. Okay, keep on doing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. We have done 5 rows here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to reduce it. Make 3 chains here. When you grow, you make 6 chains, but when you are going to reduce, we will go with 3 chains and single crochet in these 3 chains here, then 3 chain, okay, 3 chain again, see, we are not growing up, we are reducing it. Okay, okay, we are going to single crochet here, but we will make 3 chains, then we'll go this side, we'll turn and single crochet here, the chains will be here. Now 3, see the blocks here, 1 2 3 4 5, isn't it? Now we are going 3 here, here got 4, now we are going to do 3 blocks here, then 2 blocks, 1 blocks, we'll get a square pattern. See, now we got 3 here, 3 chains, single crochet, we turn and single crochet this side, 3 more chains, okay, this pattern, see, we got it, square pattern. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.